Hello everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, nice to have you, and I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm working on a 10 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and lay down my white, flood down the canvas, and I'll see you in a minute. Right, so for this one I'm using B.A.D Cyan Blue, so I think I'll start with that first. And then I'm going to go in with this is Magenta, which is almost finished. So all my paints are mixed, 1 part paint to 1 part of water, 2 parts of Floetrol, and that would be just for this kind of pour. So I will put it in the description so you can see there, and also I'm using Derivan paint today. So there's a 20% discount off until the end of July, so you might have to rush and get in there quick. I'll leave that in the description as well. And this is purple. So I'm using blues mainly because we have a little newborn baby boy who was born this week, hence I didn't put up a video on Wednesday. I must apologize for that. And you know, I was pretty much stuck at the time helping out with back and forth from the hospital. This color is absolutely beautiful, and that is I think it's, I'm not sure, I'll have a look and I'll put it in the description. And then this one here is turquoise, so I might have a bit too much paint here, guys. So I was going to put silver in, but I think with all this paint probably I have enough. Yeah, so let's give that a torch. And there's no silicone in my paints. Okay, let's do it. Right guys, I absolutely love this. This is so pretty. I'll give it another torch. Now ordinarily, I see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is no good. I need 7. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow this section out a little bit, because this one's rather big anyway. Oh, that is divine. Give that a torch. I just need to torch this a little bit more, because I see there's lots of cells and things up on the other petals. Wow. This is gorgeous guys. Okay, so I'm going to scrape off my sides and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Right guys, this is it. I'm trying to stay away from that light, but as you can see, this purple has come up in between here and there, and it's just stunning. Well, that would be the magenta. Those cells are amazing. Anyway guys, if you're interested in any of my artwork, contact me on withBade@gmail.com. And I love, love, love this section here. Those cells have turned out amazing. I love this light blue has gone through here like that. Really looks awesome. Alright, and I'll give you a quick view of from this angle like this. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.